Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily import and export posts in WordPress, the ultimate 2025 guide. Whether you're moving content between websites or just backing up your posts, this tutorial will make the process quick and stress-free. First, open your web browser and go to your WordPress site. If you're not already logged in, click the login button in the top right corner and sign in. You can even use the Continue with Google option for a fast and secure login. Once inside, head to your dashboard and look for the Tools menu. This is where all the content management magic happens. To import posts, click on Import. Here, you'll select WordPress to upload a properly formatted XML file. This ensures that your posts integrate seamlessly into your site. Focus on import content only if you just want the post without extra media or settings. Make sure your XML file is ready, then upload it and let WordPress do the rest. It's that simple. Exporting is just as easy. In the same Tools menu, click Export and choose Posts. This will create an XML file containing all your posts. Click Download Export File and save it somewhere safe on your computer. Now you have a backup or a file ready to move to another WordPress site. And that's it. With these steps, importing and exporting posts in WordPress is straightforward, secure, and fast. Managing your content has never been easier. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.